moving on to a Mirror Now exclusive, there have been around 2,58,000 cases of COVID infections post-vaccination reported across India. While this number is not alarming as of now, experts are calling for increasing genome sequencing of COVID samples to identify the presence of a possible new virus. In fact, Mirror Now spoke with Chairman of COVID-19 Working Group, N K Arora, on this particular issue. He says that no new variant of concern has been detected in Kerala or Maharashtra. Additionally, he said that not all samples of breakthrough infections are needed to be sent for sequencing. Listen in to this exclusive conversation.
In Kerala, a large proportion of population is still susceptible. Almost 40 to 50% of population in different districts are seronegative. That means they are susceptible and they can get the infection. Once the virus enters in these communities, it can rapidly spread. And that is what seems to be the important point in Kerala. In Maharashtra also, where we are seeing the upsurge, we are seeing that it is all Delta virus. It is attacking primarily those who are susceptible. And currently there is no evidence of any new variant or variant of interest. Here I would like to say that there was a lot of talk about Delta plus variant, particularly because it was first found in Maharashtra, and that is almost since April. Actually, the first Delta plus variant was identified in Maharashtra in April 11th this year. And so far less than 100 cases have been found. It appears this variant is not very infectious, it is not rapidly spreading, is not associated with severe disease. So for the timing, it appears that it may not be truly a variant of interest also.
Doctor, one last question on breakthrough infections. Is it the need of the hour to genomically sequence every breakthrough cases that we are seeing in the country right now? Because you may say that, okay, it was not any new variant of interest or Delta was there, but is there a need to genomically sequence every breakthrough cases? And what has been the quantum of breakthrough cases in India, if you can please tell that?
So there are at least 5 or 6 studies which have looked at breakthrough infection, and these are from both North India, West India as well as South India. And breakthrough infections have varied between 2% to 10%. After first dose also and second dose, it varies between 2 to 10%. So breakthrough infections are occurring, there is no doubt. But fortunately, most of these infections are mild infections. A lot of these studies are on health personnel, and so they have been meticulously followed up. Hospitalization is very uncommon in them, and hardly any deaths have been reported due to these breakthrough infections. So the second point, it's important, very genuine concern that should we sequence every breakthrough? First of all, it is neither feasible, and the second is not desirable. It is not required. We need to sequence in a manner that they are representative of various kinds of breakthrough and in different parts of the country. That's the important. The main purpose of doing the genomic sequence is that if there is a new variant which has come through. So if I am regularly sequencing breakthrough viruses and in a manner that they represent different parts of the country, and with both 1 dose and 2 dose breakthrough, that is take care. We don't have to sequence all the breakthrough infections.
Time to slip into a very short break.